pre-installed label on the outside of the outer packing. Indicator lamp off means that the instrument is transported normally and there is no accidental fall. Pry the edge snap with a hammer or flat screwdriver. At least 2 people assist in pushing the instrument to the pre-installed position. The voltage of the neutral and live wire is 220V. The neutral and ground wire should be less than 5V. The pure water shall be measured in the hospital to ensure that the water quality value is below 1. Take out the waste liquid pipe from the accessories and insert them in turn. Remove the inlet line from the accessory, connect the pipe, and buckle it tightly. The filter at the end of the inlet pipe needs to fall to the bottom of the pure bucket. Open the front cover and cut off the cable ties of the detergent float. Place the detergent in the tray, put the float in and tighten. Fix the 4 feet to prevent the instrument from moving by mistake. Automatic water storage for deionized water after power on. After the installation, click Reset to see the instrument start running. There is no air in the syringe, and there is no leakage near around the valve. Everything is fine. The installation completed.